Hello students, today I am discussing about design of V-bell drive. V-bells are transmitting power from one pulley to another whose center distance are approximately 3 meters. It can be operated at any position like horizontal, vertical or inclined. It has higher velocity ratio. V-bells are used in blower, printing machines, paper mills, machine tools, etc. Design procedure. It has 7 steps. First one, bell cross section. Second one, pulley diameter. Third one, center distance. Fourth one, nominal pitch length. Fifth one, maximum power transmitting capacity. Sixth one, number of belt. And seventh one, actual center distance. We can move to the problem. In this problem, they given power transmitting P equal to 75 kilowatt. Speed of driving wheel N1 1440 RPM. Speed of driven wheel N2 400 RPM. Diameter of driving wheel small d 300 mm. Center distance 2500 mm. Service 16 hours per day. First step, bell cross section. Take PSG 7.58. Based on power, we can choose the cross section area. Our power 75 kilowatt. 75 available in C and D section. I am choosing D section. Second step, pulley diameter. Transmission ratio I equal to capital D by small d equal to N1 by N2. We know N1, N2 and small d. Substitute this value and get the value of capital D, diameter of driven pulley. Check the driven pulley with standard value in 7.54. Third step, center distance C equal to 2500 mm, already given in this problem. If center distance is not available, take page number 7.61. From selection of center distance table, based on D by D ratio, choose C by D ratio. Substitute the value of capital D and get center distance value. Step 4, nominal pitch length. PSG data book 7.61, L equal to 2C plus pi by 2 capital D plus small d plus capital D minus small d whole square divided by 4c. Here we know capital D, small d and capital C. Substitute this value and get L value. L equal to 7297.77 mm. Standard nominal pitch and correction factor available from 7.59 to 7.60. Choose the length based on bell cross section. We are choosing standard nominal length equal to 7648 mm and correction factor FD 1.05. Step 5, maximum power transmitting capacity. Take page number 7.62. Choose maximum power based on cross section. For D section, kilowatt equal to 3.22 S power minus 0.09 minus 506.7 divided by DE minus 4.78 into 10 power minus 4 into S square into S. S is belt velocity. Velocity formula S equal to pi dn divided by 60. We know D and N and substitute and get the S value. D equal to dP into FB. dP smaller pulley diameter, FB small diameter factor. Based on D by D ratio, choose FB value. D equal to 342 mm. Substitute the value of DE and S in maximum power transmitting capacity and get kilowatt value. Kilowatt equal to 27.03. Step 6. Number of belt P into FEA divided by kilowatt into FC into FD. This formula available in PS data book 7.70. P power transmitter already given in this problem. FEA correction factor. Service 16 hours per day given in this problem. In 7.69 we need what type of machine for choosing correction factor. They didn't mention anything in this problem. Choose any. I am choosing heavy duty. So FEA equal to 1.5. Next, arc of contact. Take page number 7.68. Arc of contact equal to 180 degree minus 60 into capital D minus small d divided by C. We know the value of capital D and small d. Substitute this value and get the arc of contact angle 160 degree 0.3. Arc of contact correction factor table available in same page. Based on arc of contact angle, choose correction factor. Next, FD. FD already we choose in step 4. FD equal to 1.05. So number of belt equal to 75 into 1.5 divided by 27.03 into 1.05 into 0.95 equal to 5. Step 7. Actual center distance. Actual center distance available in page number 7.61. Is just substitution only. C equal to A plus root of A square minus B. A equal to L by 4 plus capital D plus small d divided by 8. And B value, B formula equal to capital D minus small d whole square divided by 8. Substitute this value of A and B and get the center distance value. Thank you.